one.
Good morning, everyone. It's start again. So I'm a little bit gutted that we didn't get to clean this bad boy up here. You've done this one, yeah? Yeah. Have a watch, enjoy the video, and let us know what you think in the comments. Today we're looking at this job that we've been doing for the last 7-8 weeks now. It's Cricklewood pumping station, where we're removing the carbon staining from the brickwork. As you can see behind me, above, that's an area that we haven't done yet, and below is how it looks after we do it. So we use a two-part process where we apply an acid, carbon stain removal acid, and then we steam clean it off. So cleaning both the brick and the stone, removing all the organic staining from the stone to get it looking back to like new. And as you can see, it's a big difference. So let's have a look around the job and we'll look at all the different aspects that go into cleaning a building like this. So a little bit of history on this. We're really excited to be working on this because this building has actually been used to imitate the Titanic. The inside of this building was used when filming in a film to be like the Titanic. So it's a historic building here in Cricklewood. It used to be used to supply all the water to the northwest residents of London. So it's a really good building for us to be working on. This area hasn't been cleaned yet, and you can see all the build-up. This is atmospheric pollution or carbon staining. And basically, where there's busy roads nearby and where it's been here for over 100 years now, it's built up this pollution on the surface of the brick. And as you can see, after we clean it, we restore it back to looking like it was 100 years ago. The other part of the job that we're doing, later on the guys will be removing this vegetation. So they'll just be taking it out, cutting it out, using some secateurs, using some saws, pulling it out gently, and then treating it with a biocide or a fungicide to kill the root and help to stop the regrowth. So we're 7 weeks into this project now, and it's been quite slow. There's a lot of stonework and a lot of detail in the stonework. The stonework actually took probably half the time. The bricks are a bit cleaner, quicker to clean, and we had to do a few additional safety measures. So the end client wanted us to protect the ground level with the acid when we're working down on ground level. So what we had to do is roll out some tarpaulin, get some chemical absorbent sheets on top that helps to stop the chemical that we're using going into the ground when working at ground level. So I'm a little bit gutted that we didn't get to clean this bad boy up here. That's probably about 50 metres high. It would be nice to get in a large cherry picker and be able to clean that as well, but unfortunately they didn't want the chimney cleaned. It's actually out of commission now and it's being used as a telephone mast. So let's take a closer look at this environmental extra added safety thing that we've done here. So here we've put some tarpaulin down, and on top of the tarpaulin we've put some chemical resistant pads. Just as the end client, Thames Water, they wanted us to be extra careful environmentally wise about the acid going into the ground. So we've put this to help. So let's say hello to Lorenzo quickly. He's in his full kit today. We're working on a water site, so he had to wear orange trousers and top. He's got his chemical resistant gloves on. He's got a FP3 mask, face mask, full face mask, because the product we're working with is quite strong. It's nasty acids, don't want to get that, breathe it in or get it anywhere on his hands or skin. hope you've enjoyed our video of the Cricklewood pumping station transformation. If you're enjoying our videos, make sure you click here to subscribe to our channel, click here for some more of our best pressure washing videos, or click here for our last week's video of a big patio clean in Southampton.